Thutha wa thirikari nene kugerera ministry ya kigina gukorwo itarekereirie mbeca cia ukoria wa thirikari cia county cia mweri wa 11 na mweri uyu turi, riu kanjo ya magavana ni itacukirie ikinya ria kwambika mateta mao igoti-ini inene ria Supreme makiendekithia mbeca ici irekererio niguo mawira maria marugamite county-ini mathie na mbere. Muikariri giti wa kanjo ya magavana guku bururi-ini niwe Wycliffe Oparanya, uria ni gavana wa kaunti ya Kakamega, augite ni mugaro na watho kurugamia ugai wa mbeca cia makaunti bunge ya bururi kana ya senate itaingiriire.
We have a right to receive our shareable revenue. So it is our shareable revenue that we are asking for. The 316 billion which was approved by the Senate. That's what we are asking for. As we make our local efforts, we should also get what is due to us as counties.
Oparanya niongereire kuga mbeca ici cia muigana wa bilioni 316 ibatie gukoragwo ikinyite makaunti ni gukinyiria tariki 15. Kuri oguo, Oparanya ni amenereirie ministry ya kigina ni kwaga gukorwo na mitaratara ya gutigirira thirikari cia county ni ciamukira magai mao ma mbeca ihinda riria riagiriire, amu gucerithirio kwa mbeca ici ni gutumite mihango ya county irugame.
The problems that we are encountering, you are here and you can see if all these people have not been paid on time. Fortunately here, because of the increased revenue.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Njitikaga Muringi wa Ngure.